I just made my best purchase, and the best part about this one is this one's staying. Ladies and gentlemen, I have just purchased a 2011 Celestial Blue MazdaSpeed 3. I'm so excited to reveal this car to you guys today as the new build for this channel. It has been so long since we introduced something that stayed. I mean, last year I had a Cosmic Blue MazdaSpeed 3 that just suddenly disappeared. Well, I never planned to keep that car. That was my third MazdaSpeed 3. This tallies number 4. And all the MazdaSpeeds I've never had stay on the channel. I mean, any car in general. You guys know how I am. Now, what makes the Celestial Blue MazdaSpeed 3 so rare? I mean, it looks like one that you might even own yourself. The fact of the matter is that it's actually the color. Where I live, and I'm not entirely sure how many units of MazdaSpeed were made in this color. Obviously the Mazda 3 was made in this color as well, but for the MazdaSpeed 3, I'm pretty sure this was the least made color. At least where I live, this color is so hard to come by in good condition, and I managed to snipe one with lower kilometers and in beautiful, well-kept condition. And we're gonna change that. Enough of me blabbing, let's go ahead and look over the car. Now in Canada, the second gen MazdaSpeed 3 came in 2 additions, the base model and the tech pack. This is actually just a base model without the tech pack. I'll show you guys what options those were in a second. Nothing really changed except some features on the inside. The car is completely bone stock on the outside. It still has the Snowflake OEM wheels. These are on winter tires. This is the winter set. It came on another set of wheels, which I actually got rid of. So these are just temporary for now. There's little things that the previous owner did, like paint the badge is white, the grille is white. We are obviously gonna clean all of this up, but overall the car is in mint condition on the outside. Again, just white badges on the back. We'll get rid of those and clean those up soon. One thing you'll notice with this and the non-tech pack is that the lower valence is color matched to the car versus being the black / gray that it would normally come in. Again, if we take a look on the inside of the car, completely bone stock throughout, everything down to the shift knob. Everything is extremely clean in here, looking good. I love how well kept this car was. Even if we go ahead and pop the engine bay, it is stock under here as well, which means we have a total pretty much fresh platform to work with. I said I'd never own another MazdaSpeed 3. And well, here we are. I was looking for something new on the channel. I felt like it was the right time to introduce something. It's been a while since we started or even just done a general build over, you know, a little while. Everything that I've introduced has been so short or just cut short in general and then tossed right away. The only thing that's really stuck around has been the Mazda 3 sedan, but I'm so happy to introduce this as the new project on the channel. Now, sure, it's a second gen, but the first gen is ultimately better, and I will still admit that even after, you know, buying a second gen. Well, why did I buy a second gen? Good question. Normally the second gens in my area are in a lot better condition than the first gens are, and like I said, this was just a price I couldn't let go of, especially coming in this color as well. My first MazdaSpeed 3 was actually on the channel. It was the silver 2012 MazdaSpeed 3. At that time, I was struggling to afford that car. It didn't get a proper build, and I felt like, you know what, go back to the past. Let's do it properly this time and run through everything from start to finish. Like I said, this thing is completely stock. It's quiet, and to be honest, it's just a little boring from what I'm, you know, used to. It's been a long time since I've been able to buy a completely stock car and start with a fresh template. And with this, we're definitely getting that. This will be a full start to finish build. I will be releasing a video on what this build is going to entail, but I think the number one thing I want to promise to you guys is this just won't randomly disappear like every other thing has that I've brought onto the channel. I've actually owned this car for I think about 2 months now to around this time. It's always been in the background of the videos. I've just never, you know, spoiled it or shown you guys. I've driven it for a little bit. I feel what it's about. Everything feels great. I'm so excited to get started with this. See, can the camera hold on for a little bit of a pull? Oh my God, this road is garbage. I think the funniest thing is about me, you know, I've been driving this or whatever. I'm so used to driving modified MazdaSpeed 3s. I've been itching to film this video so that I can get started, you know, with doing stuff. So like I was saying, this car is the base model versus the tech pack. The tech pack changed from 2010 and 2011 to 2012 and 2013. The tech pack in this car, I believe, came with power adjusting seats. I believe it came with navigation. I think it was like auto leveling headlight, like silly little things that I just don't care for, and still have the basics like heated seats. It still has, you know, adjusting headlights from the cabin. Oh, it also does have Bose. The tech pack came with Bose, but I don't know if these speakers in this specific car have been upgraded or not, because the sound in this is actually like really, really good. So I'm not even gonna touch them. I don't need Bose. I think with this build too, is I'm not aimlessly just kind of going at it. I kind of have things set in plans, and I have things that I'm building towards and that I want to accomplish with this car. And I'll explain that in the video where I tell you guys all about, you know, the build and what this build is going to be about and what I'm going to do with it. I think one of the hardest things too is to find a stock MazdaSpeed 3 in good condition. And this thing rips for being stock. It's just so quiet. I need it to be loud. I drive loud cars. This is like my quietest car I've ever owned. I'm extremely happy to add this car as part of the Mazda collection that we have right now. This thing is beautiful. I am so excited to get started on this. But for as it stands, that is your final look of the Celestial Blue MazdaSpeed 3. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and leave a like of the video, and comment down below what you think about the new purchase on the channel. All right guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.